Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we use chamfer command in AutoCAD. So guys, what basically it is same like a fillet command, but apart from giving the corner a round edge, it gives your corner a square type edge. For example, to apply the chamfer command, you just have to click on this home button, and here in this modify group, you have to select here in this fillet command in the right arrow, and the second option you will having is chamfer. Select that and your command will be activated. Now here are different types of chamfer. Either you want to create a line from here to here and then you want to remove this one, or you can keep this one. So I want to remove this one. So what you have to do is select D and press enter. Now you have to specify the first character distance. That means let's suppose this is the first member and this is the second member, and you want to draw a line between these like this. So the distance from here till here, what should be the distance? I want to take it as 1 and then enter. Again, you need to specify the second distance object, that is from here or somewhere around here. So let's suppose it is 1. Again press 1 and then press enter. Now you have to select the first line. Here's the first line, and you have to specify the second line. So guys, you can see your object is being chamfered. Again, you can use this chamfer command by using a shortcut, that is CHA. Press enter, select D, enter. The first distance, let's suppose it is 1.5, enter. Second line distance 1.5, enter. Select the first object and then the second object, and it's done. So guys, this way you can use the chamfer command in AutoCAD. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.